channel Learn Smart Coding. In this video, we are going to see how to enable diagnostic logging and add instrumentation to your application. As well as you will see how to access the information logged by the Azure. This is one of the topic for AZ204 under Enable Diagnostic Logging. Come, let's see how the inbuilt diagnostics are helping us to assess debugging an application hosted in the app service plan. So there are different types of logging: application logging, web server logging, detailed error logging, failed request tracking, and deployment logging. In all the five, Windows will support all the five. However, Linux-based hosting will support only application logging and the deployment logging. So application logging, just let's have a quick overview before we go ahead and check how this works in the Azure portal. So in application logging, so back on my portal, if you navigate to the website and then on the overview page to the left hand side, if you see under the monitoring, there is something called app service log. Click on that app service log and it is going to display all the five different types that we just talked about. So if you look at here, you have all the five options. If you select enable application logging, you can choose the level at which you wanted to log. Error means it is going to log everything under the error. So you can choose error, warning, and other things. And if you choose application logging using blob, it will ask you the error level, and then it is going to ask you the storage container and the retention period. Retention period is basically like, I'm choosing 30. If you see, the logs under this one are never deleted. So if you choose 30, after 30 days, all the logs will be deleted. It will retain only for 30 days. Similarly, for web server logging, you have two choice for web server logging, the blob storage and the local storage. So the file system and the storage system. So here you can choose the quota, and then you can also choose the retention period. So if you cross the quota, it is not going to store any of the information. The next one is the detailed error message. Here it is going to gather all the detailed error message for the logging. And failed request tracking is also available for the Windows. It is going to trace all the information about the failed request. Alright, now you saw how to add those diagnostic logging in your application, and you can use these URL and download the error log from the system itself. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and never forget to click on the bell icon.